How far my people? Now welcome to my channel for today. So I go try make I do the voiceover for this video for pidgin language. As una know, say part of the language they speak for Nigeria na pidgin English, and I go try make I do this voiceover for pidgin language. If na the first time wey you go see my channel be this, my name na Ademido Abimbola. I be a technician wey based for Lagos State, Nigeria. If you like wetin you see for this channel, if you just click for that red button wey say subscribe, make you join this family. The nail wey I wan do for my customer today na acrylic nails wey get marble, and I don dey try make I form the marble pattern already. As una dey see, so say I dey try make I mix the two colors of this acrylic powder make dey take form marble design. And as I dey do am, so I dey carry the first color and I dey come add the second color, come take my brush take dey mix am together for one particular direction, so I go fit get the marble design. You no fit do am for anyhow. Now you must follow one particular pattern, so you go fit get the actual marble design wey you want. Now I don form this marble design finish, but I go still need to fill the side wey be say the acrylic powder no reach, so e go fit cover finish. Now after I go do this one, I go still carry clear acrylic powder take cover am, because if I no cover am, if I dey file, as I dey file the nails, the design go fit dey comot. That's why e necessary make I carry clear powder take cover am. But before I go carry clear powder cover am, I go try make I do other design on top this finger wey I also I go try make I mix nude powder wey I dey use so with gold foil design, and also make I do small marble design on top this hand for front. So now the first one I do so. If you like as I dey use this pidgin to do this voice over, and you go like make I dey do am once in a while, abeg make you let me know in the comment section. And I be wan tag some people wey fit join me for this challenge. I don't know, make we turn am to challenge. I don't know who go fit join me. AG signatures, if you go fit join me for this, make you carry pidgin language take do voice over, abeg make I know for comment section. Now I dey carry the teal green acrylic powder and the blue acrylic powder make I take form small marble pattern for this on top this nail as well. After I form the marble pattern wey I wan finish up top this hand, I go still carry foil, gold foil, add for the front and add for the back, so e go fit give me the design wey I want. Near Obijiaku, if you fit do this if you fit do voice over for your video for pidgin language, abeg make I know for comment section as well. As simply Demi, you too, I challenge you, make you do your voice over for pidgin language. If you fit do am, also make you let me know for comment section. I be think say this thing go easy, but e be like say no one easy small. But I go try my best make I still finish to the talk for pidgin language. I still dey try make I form the marble pattern with the acrylic powder. Now wetin I dey try make I do be that. Now as I tell you say I wan add the gold foil. The gold foil no need any glue. Now to just carry the gold foil, stick am to the place side wey I wan put am. And before I add the gold foil, I say make I put this nude acrylic powder wey I put for back, make I put am for the front, so e go fit look like the one wey dey back. I no know how many people I fit add if you do this voice over for pidgin language challenge, but if you know say if you do am and you dey watch this my video, abeg make una let me know for comment section, so I go fit turn this into challenge. Make I put the hashtag pidgin voice over in pidgin language challenge on top am. And now I don dey try make I put the gold foil for the place where I wan chook am. As I tell una before, e no need make I use glue. I just dey carry the gold foil. The gold foil is soft. I just to chook am for you wan chook am, e go just stay there. Just chook am, make you arrange am, make you take your brush, make you flat am down, e go stay put for there. As I dey put the gold foil for front, so I go still put am for the back side wey the marble pattern take start as well. So I dey try make I put am now. After I put this one, I go still I go still carry clear acrylic powder take cover am, because if I no carry the clear acrylic powder take cover am, as I dey file the nails, the gold foil go comot and the marble pattern sef go comot for the nails. So e dey important as we do this kind design. They call am encapsulation for acrylic nails. As we do this kind design, you go carry your clear acrylic powder take encapsulate wetin you don put under. Just make sure say as you dey, if you wan encapsulate, the powder wey you go use under, e no go big, na small powder you go use, e go flat. So in case you carry your clear acrylic powder on top, e no go too dey bulky. Now this middle finger, I go try make I do, or I wan try make I do wetin dey call am French tip design for this place. I go do French tip design, but I dey try form the nude wey go dey the back. I go form am for the middle finger, the pinky finger and the thumb. When e dry, I go carry nail file. I go take shape the edge of the acrylic powder wey I form, so e go fit dey oval. I dey try make I form oval shape with the acrylic powder. So after I file the tip, I file the mouth or the front where I get the perfect oval shape wey I want, I go come carry these two acrylic powder, the teal green and the blue acrylic powder, come take form marble pattern for front. As una see am so, I don pause the video, I don shape the front already. I don even apply for the other hand. I just want make I show una this hand. So I dey try make I form the marble pattern now with this two acrylic powder. After I form am finish, I go still carry clear take cover this one as well, so e go fit protect the design wey dey under. As you dey watch this my video so and you never subscribe to my channel, abeg just click on the red button wey talk say subscribe, make you join this my family for YouTube. You go dey enjoy. I get different things wey I dey post. I dey post acrylic nail design, I dey post pidgin nail design, I dey post the tutorial, I dey post simple nail art tutorial, I dey do product reviews, I dey do small vlogging as well. So if you like wetin you dey see for this channel, abeg subscribe, make you join this family. Thank you. And also abeg no forget to like this video and make you leave comments, make you let me know whether you like my video for today, abi you like the pidgin wey I take do the voice over. All of una wey I don tag for this challenge, I hope say na still dey follow me. HD Signatures, Niela Obijiaku, Simply Demi, I don tag na for this challenge o, make una do voice over for pidgin language. And if you dey also watch me and you fit also try make you do am, you fit join the challenge as well. So now I dey try make I do the marble effect for this thumb finger as well. I dey try make I get the marble pattern. So after I get the marble pattern, now I go come put clear take cover all the work wey I don do since morning, come file am. If I do the acrylic marble finish wey I cover am clear, I go show una wetin the thing look like, so una go see wetin everything look like after I finish, before I go come file. You fit dey wonder say where I come from. I be Yoruba girl from Osun State. I just grew among the Bende people when I dey small. From then I learn to speak my pidgin language. Even that time when we dey learn am, our parents be dey beat us say make we no learn am because we go spoil our English. But all na same, all na language, and I dey happy say I sabi speak the pidgin language. As I dey apply the acrylic for the corner, I wan make the marble pattern dey for all the corner, make e reach the side, make e no be say when I finish I go see say one side no dey covered. That's why I dey try make I push the acrylic go the corner well as I dey do am so. So if you dey do your own too, make you make sure say all the corners dey covered with any pattern, even though na glitters you wan encapsulate. Just make sure say everything wey you dey put will reach all the corners, so when you cover am with clear, everything go dey alright. So now time don reach to cover am with clear. Abeg no mind my background noise o. I don dey try make I do dis thing since, but as na Lagos I dey stay, noise dey dey everywhere. I dey try make I do am, but noise still dey dey. I say na this night I must do this thing. So I don dey try make I cover the work wey I dey do since morning with clear acrylic powder now. So na im I dey apply. E go take small before I finish am. Make una just dey patient. I go soon finish. E no easy to talk for pidgin language or true. I don try, my throat don dey pain me as I dey talk since for pidgin language. Maybe na because I no like to dey talk too much. I don tire to talk for pidgin, and thank God say this voice over go soon finish as the video go soon finish. I no go find this set on camera because if I do am, this video go just dey too long. So I go try make I file am off camera, then I go just come apply the top coat for here, come show una when I dey apply the top coat. So na only this finger I go apply clear acrylic powder from top camera. Others na off camera I go apply the clear acrylic powder, so the video no go too long. So now wetin look like be this after I apply the clear acrylic powder. Now all the fingers with this after I don apply the acrylic powder, the clear acrylic powder. Now wetin they look like this. So I'll just go file them now. Come back, come apply the top coat. So I don't come back. I don't file finish. Now just to apply top coat I dey do now. After I apply this top coat, I go cure the set inside UV lamp for 2 minutes. That is 120 seconds. Make I for know say the nail dry well. So na like we don't reach the end of this tutorial today. This tutorial I do today now for beginners. We want sabi apply marble acrylic pattern, and we want sabi apply acrylic powder for customer hand. So if you don't enjoy today video, make you no forget to like this my video, make you leave comment for comment section, and make you share to anybody wey think say you go like make you watch this video. And no forget also say make you subscribe if you never subscribe to this channel. So now we go dey see some other time. Make una take care. If you like this set wey I do so, or you no like am, make you let me know for comment section. I know say you go like am. So we go see some other time. Bye.